Acknowledge the service based
Grabe, galing, no?
Isa sa mga drones natin, sir, sa
Bilis na response.
Temporal monitoring units on the roster base sa Big Sanggu, roster base 1 to over. Break, attentional units. I repeat, attentional units on the roster base.
One drone, sir, this is live.
Nahuli agad, oh. Grabe, bilis.
Please, mama, good afternoon. Kindly advise you.
So, yan, sir. Live yan, sir.
Galing. Pinahanga si BBM.
So, ang isa, sir, is nandun sa...
Ma'am Jenny Ramos, shout out. Good afternoon, ha. Ma'am Andrea, good afternoon po.
Swimming pool na. Close up sa swimming pool.
Stop ma, inyo pigilig. Ganun ba ma?
Acknowledge the service based
Pinapakita kay BBM yung pag-response, no? Sa na-hostage yata na ano? Ayan, no? Sa building na yan, may na-hostage yata na ano, kababayan natin. Nirespondihan kagad ng PNP. Ang bilis na aksyon.
Temporal monitoring units on the roster base sa Big Sanggu, roster base 1 to over. Break, attentional units. I repeat, attentional units on the roster base. Private please, mama, good afternoon. Kindly advise you.
So, sir, ito, sir, ang mga sample, sir, na accomplishment ng drone, sir. Isa itong follow-up operation sa Quezon City, sir. So, may tumakbong suspect sa squatters area, built-up area, hinahanap ng mga pulis, sir. So, ito, sir, ang nangyari sa kanya. Yan, sir.
Oo nga, no? Ayan, oh, tumatakbo. Nakita sa drone, no? Galing. Hindi nagkamali si BBM, no? Sa pag
Yes, sir.
pili kay General Torres.
Mr. President, that is your Philippine National Police today, sir. Thank you very much for visiting us. Good morning, sir.
Galing.